Tebuta.
Tebuta. Exactly.
Yeah. Um, yeah, Yeshua said you must become born again, and what he was actually saying was go back to the beginning.
That's right. That's exactly right.
I wanted to bring, there's a pattern, and it's called Tabnith and Taknith, and it directly connects to Abraham, Abraham being the established Taknith, and Tabnith means pattern, and tablet or direction of similitude. And that's where I was trying to get to. But in this, the first occurrence is talking about David giving the tablet of the testimony of temple to Solomon. But when you read it through the forensics of what it is as a personal expression, you can see that what's given is the completeness of seeing, and it ends up being you are mirrored now as the cherubim. And David in his name, David, has the Yod Vav, Dalet Yod Vav Bet. And so in him, he was built already. And he made, in the lesser narrative, his actions would have made, he was always at war, but he was always seeking peace. He was in turmoil. He was in confusion in the lesser narrative. But from the higher, when you go into the forensics of it, actually, David is my beloved. And it says, and you look at his parentheses of names, and it says, I am the frequency. Yod He Vav He already dwells in you, Daryl. In you is my beloved. That's the heart frequency of the vision of prognostication, and the expanse of completion is well within you. You are built. You are seen as built. In that, you are the template of Shalom. That's the sun. And so that whole story about this being given is a great, not reading it at it, we're reading as it, as an expression of a mirror reflecting upon ourselves. When we start doing that, we are now realigning through neuroplasticity the new pathway of the expression of intention. That's what's coming in right now as a frequency for those that have a willingness and a longing for that frequency. It's already in the earth right now. I can feel it. It's already here. It's going around and seeking those in the depth of your heart to say, where are my beloved? Where are the peacekeepers? Where are those that have kept the shalom regardless, and they become the measure called tabnith? I now call you the pattern. In that I will dwell. That's what we're really trying to get to today. That's what's coming in, and they will be called the completed in the earth again.